Hi, I'm Atik from Pakistan, a professional English language teacher with over 6 years of experience in helping hundreds of students just like you. I teach students at all levels, from complete beginners to advanced learners. You could be a student preparing for their exams, a businessman who's looking to polish his business English, or you could be an absolute beginner who wants to learn from zero. Our classes will be fun, interesting, and never boring because we will have real life conversations and interacting activities. Before our lessons, I will provide a detailed lesson plan and study material so you can prepare and then we can have discussion and study during our class. And most importantly, I'll listen to your feedback and plan your future classes accordingly. So book your trial now. Let's transform and level up your English accordingly. I'll see you in my class. Thank you for watching and take care.